Good morning class. Today we will continue practice set 9.3. First and second we are already completed. Now so today we will start the question number 3. If the surface area of a sphere is 2826 centimeter square, then find its volume. See, first we will write what is given. Area is given 2826 centimeter square and value of pi is given 3.14 and we have to find the volume. This we have to find. So what is the formula of volume? Tell me fast. See, the formula volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r square. 4/3 pi is given, r is not there in question, or r is not given. So this value of radius we have to find by these numbers. So first we use the formula of surface area of a sphere. Write that formula, उससे आपको रेडियस मिलेगा, फिर आपको वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला लगा के आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो इट्स स्टार्ट. Surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Now put the values. Area is given, तो यहाँ पे एरिया का वैल्यू लिखो, पाई का सबका वैल्यू लिखो. So it will becomes therefore 2826 equals to 4 into 3.14 into r square. अभी r square का वैल्यू अपने को फाइंड आउट करना है. So this r square we will put in the right hand side और बाकी के सारे numbers we will tick here. So see here they are multiplying, तो यहाँ आके ये क्या हो जाएगा, divide. So it will becomes like a, okay see, so it will becomes like a 2826 upon 4 into 3.14 equals to r square. Now this number we will divide by 3.14. So let me divide it. See 3.14 divided by this one, so we will got 900. अब ये 900 को 4 से डिवाइड करो. सो 4 1 जा 4, इसको डिवाइड करो. 4 2 जा 8, 2 4 अगेन 4 2 जा 4 5 जा 20, 225 आएगा. सो इट विल बिकम्स लाइक अ 225 इक्वल्स टू आर स्क्वायर, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आर. सो वी विल राइट देयर फॉर आर इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट 225 टेकिंग ए स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड. So अभी बताओ what is the square root of these numbers? 15. So radius will becomes 15 centimeter. Now write the formula of volume and see volume of sphere equals to 4/3 pi r cube. This is the formula. Now put the values. 4/3 will be as it is into pi value is 3.14 into 15. r के वैल्यू कितना है 15, तो 15 का क्यूब. So just multiply all the numbers and divide by 3. Let me multiply this. Multiply 4, 3.14 and 15 का cube. Okay, when we multiply these numbers, so we got 42,390 divided by 3. So now just divide these numbers. So it will becomes 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 1 बचेगा 3 4 जा. So our final answer is 14,130 cubic centimeter. वॉल्यूम है ना, इसलिए cubic centimeter. Understood? Question number 3. Now we will start the question number 4. Okay, come to question 4. Find the surface area of a sphere if its volume is 38,808 cubic centimeter. So first write the given things in the solution. Volume दिया है 38,808 cubic centimeter. See, volume is given this much. The value of pi is this. We have to find the area, surface area. This is the totally opposite to the question number 3. 3 में एरिया दिया था, वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना था. यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम दिया है, एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. So let's start. So volume of sphere equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Therefore वॉल्यूम का वैल्यू कितना है 38,808 4/3 22/7 r cube. Same procedure. R cube, put it here and rest all the numbers took left hand side. These denominators become numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Okay, see, let's divide it. 22 ones are 22. Let's divide this number. So 22 ones are 22. ये बचेगा. This much will come. Now this number will divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 4 are 16. 1 4 4 are 16. 1. So we will got 441 into 3 into 7 equals to r cube. But we have to find the radius r. So find out the cube root of this number. See, when you multiply all these numbers, so you got 9261. Find the cube root of these numbers. So you will got 21 into 21 into 21. से देखो, जब हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो 2 2 का पेयर्स लेते हैं. यहाँ पे क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं तो 3 3 का पेयर लेना है. सो योर रेडियस विल बिकम्स 21 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ राइट द फॉर्मूला फॉर स्फीयर. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. वो फार्मूला लिखो और आपका आंसर मिल जाएगा आपको. ओके, नाउ राइट द फार्मूला. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर इक्वल्स टू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. पुट द वैल्यूज. 4 will be as it is. Pi value is 22/7. R square means 21 square. So it will becomes 4 into 22/7 into 21 into 21. Okay, so your final answer is 5544 square centimeter. Now write the last question, question number 5. Okay, now write question number 5. The volume of a hemisphere is this much cubic centimeter. Find its diameter. Very simple sum. Volume is given, so write volume 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the diameter of this. Simply write the volume of hemisphere. वो formula लिखो, substitute करो, and you got your answers. So volume of hemisphere equals to 2/3 pi r cube. Now put the values. Volume is given 18,000 pi equals to 2/3. Here don't put the value of pi because here also pi is there, into r cube. Put this number here and take all the numbers to the left hand side. So it will becomes 18,000 pi into 3 upon 2 into pi equals to r cube. Now just divide. The pi will cancel. Now divide these. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 1 2 3 0, 1 2 3 0. This 9,000 multiplied by 3, so you got 27,000 equals to r cube. Now find the value of r. So it will becomes, write here reason, taking cube root on both side. Now just find out what is the cube root of this number. 27 का cube root क्या होता है? 3. 30 is 1. So your radius is 30 centimeter. But in question is given find the diameter. So what is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is the double of radius. So therefore diameter equals to 2 into r. R value is 30, so 2 into 30. So you got your final answer. Diameter equals to 60 centimeter. This is your question number 5. So here we complete practice set 9.3 as well as the lesson number 9 also. Then after the lesson 9 we have to solve problem set 9. In problem set 9 we do not solve all the sums. Some specific sum that we have to solve, वो नंबर मैं आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में बताता हूँ.